The Paper Bird and the Wind. A little boy named Rohan loved making paper birds. One day he made his best one net. Neat folds, colorful wings, and proud face. He placed it on the table and whispered, "You will fly high someday." Suddenly, a strong wind blew through the window and carried bird away. Rohan ran after it, shouting, "Come back." The bird flew over puddles, gardens, and walls, finally landing near an old man. The old man picked it up, smiled, and gave it to a crying child sitting alone. When Rohan reached there, he saw the little child smiling with his paper bird. At first, Rohan felt sad, but then he smiled too. He realized his creation had made someone happy. Moral: true success is not in keeping what you make, but in sharing it with others.